Imagine calling a customer support line and talking to the most helpful, patient person you've ever met. They solve your problem in seconds. They know your history, and they never put you on hold. Now, here is the reality. That person wasn't human. By 2028, 80% of all business-to-customer communication will be handled by autonomous AI voice agents. The quiet replacement has officially begun, and it is happening in boardrooms you aren't invited to. While the public is distracted by basic chatbots, major corporations are quietly deploying digital workforces that work 24/7 with zero overhead. This is the death of the entry-level job, but it is the birth of the greatest wealth-building opportunity of our lifetime. For years, we've been told AI was just a text tool. We used ChatGPT to write emails or summaries. But text is a low-fidelity medium. It's flat. Humans, however, communicate through voice. Our voices carry emotion, urgency, and hidden intent. In 2026, the breakthrough isn't just that AI can speak. It's that AI can hear. It can detect if a customer is frustrated before they even say it. It processes your vocal markers faster than a human brain can blink. This is the transition from simple AI to agentic AI. We are moving from tools that answer questions to agents that take action. You are accessing this briefing because you've realized the old rules of the economy are broken. The standard get a degree, get a job path is being rendered obsolete by institutional algorithms. This channel, the neural ledger, is your window into the automated back office of the world's elite. We aren't here to watch the world change from the sidelines. We are here to decode the architecture of the new economy so you can secure your financial position before the window closes. This isn't just tech news, it's an asymmetric advantage.
Let's look at the numbers. A Fortune 500 company spending $50 million a year on human call centers can now replace that entire department with a single server cluster for less than $5 million. That is a 90% reduction in operational cost. In the business world, we call this optimization. For the workers, it's the quiet replacement. These AI agents don't need health insurance. They don't take vacations, and they never have a bad day. They are the perfect employees, and they are currently absorbing the roles of millions of people who thought their human touch made them unreplaceable.
So how do you survive this? You stop being the employee and start being the architect. In 2026, wealth isn't generated by how hard you work. It's generated by how much algorithmic leverage you control. Instead of trading 40 hours of your life for a paycheck, you need to start building digital employees. One person sitting in a home office can now direct a fleet of AI agents that handle sales, support, and operations. This is how the $10 million solopreneur becomes the new standard. You don't need a staff, you need a system.
The biggest myth today is that you need to be a coder to win. That's legacy thinking. The most valuable skill in 2026 is natural language logic. It's the ability to speak the syntax of the AI, to give instructions so precise that the agents execute your vision perfectly. The talent chasm is widening. On one side, you have people waiting for instructions. On the other, you have the architects who command the machines. Your goal is to cross that chasm, and it starts with understanding the tools that the elite are using to monopolize data and wealth. There is a specific loophole that institutional investors are using right now. While everyone is focused on general AI, like Gemini or OpenAI, the real money is flowing into B2B SaaS infrastructure. These are the silent tools that connect AI agents together into a workflow. It's the plumbing of the new economy. Investing your time and capital into these infrastructure prints is where the actual wealth is being generated. Most people won't notice this until the markets have already adjusted. By then, the alpha, the extra profit, will be gone.
Voice agents are just the front door of this revolution. The real disruption is happening deeper in the back office, where multiple AI agents are now working together to run entire companies without a single human manager. This is called multi-agent orchestration, and it is the end of the traditional corporate structure. To see how these systems are being built and how you can deploy them yourself, you need to access our next briefing. The door is closing. Access it now.